Well, in this second video, we watch Gerry and Andy and the guys. We're watching Gerry and the guys finish this lovely piece of kit, and I collect it with the kids. Enjoy the video. You basically repeat the process, and there it is, the finishing bright orange. Actually a bit brighter than I actually thought, but I trust these guys, so it's going to look amazing. I'm not going to miss it when it's on the workbench. These things were built to last, really. Andy's just moving all the vice components. Moving all the vice components into the oven, as you can see here. Just gonna. How long do you think they'll spend in there?
Once I put these in, I'm gonna light the oven up.
Yeah.
And then it'll be an hour.
Ah, okay.
Just bake
Great.
through it. So.
Do you want a hand with me?
No.
Tell you what, it's really warm in here. This feels quite toasty. So they only need one coat of what you've done.
Yeah,
It's quite a hefty coat, wasn't it? So,
should be okay.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a vice, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I mean, what the thing is, when it comes out, we'll have a look and make sure it's okay. It needs another coat.
Yeah. Brilliant. All done. So we'll shut the doors. Shut the doors and leave that in there for about an hour. Turn the heat up and we'll see it in a bit. Oh, we come to collect the vice.
Yep.
It's my only vice.
The only vice.
Well, there it is. All ready to go. Oscar, do you want to film this?
How do you fix all this stuff?
Fix it.
Yeah, Alan.
I don't know, I was just born with a good brain, wasn't
Thank you very much. Really appreciate
I?
that.
No problem. I think Nathan said he told you once, I've left that in just to stop that slipping up and down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They said it once I've got to grease it because it screws in alright,
Yeah.
but when you're screwing it out, you got to pull it
Yeah.
and get it out, or pull the quick release up
Yeah.
and pull it out, then it'll screw in it. But I'd say,
Grease it up. I've got loads of
Grease it.
grease at hand.
yeah, there's no point in touching that in because it's just going to happen
No,
again.
that's fine.
The sides, they're alright.
Lovely.
It's got a bit dusty, like.
Onwards and up.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
no problem, mate.
I'll get it.
Did you manage it?
I hope so. There we go.
If you can.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah,
And,
no problem at all, mate.
It'll probably take me about a year to edit this. So hopefully, I'll let you know when it's up on YouTube and we'll go from there.
Yeah,
Well, much appreciated.
no problem at all.
We'll see you again.
Yeah.
I've got more bits I'll get you to do. Oh,
Yeah, I'll get you the door. Don't drop it, whatever you do, because you drop it, it'll break.
Yeah, no.
You know, you'll
Cast
cast
iron.
iron.
Brilliant. Thank
Especially
you.
if
That's
you
the
get
thing,
cold
he's
weather.
very clever.
I know. Thanks very much.
All right,
See
Ben,
you.
see you soon.
See you.
See you
Bye-bye.
again.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So?
This is a bit mad, isn't it?
Yeah,
Here we are, I've got my toy back. Really excited about this.
Box, isn't it?
We're gonna have lots of fun holding things in place with this beast.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you?
10?
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
So here we are, we are on our way back to C&G finishes. I've just been to football with the kids, and as you can see, the weather's changed a little bit since last time we were here. I think we were in t-shirts, weren't we?
Yeah.
They're wearing t-shirts because they've just been to football, so I'm cold because I've been watching football for the last 2 hours. Anyway, here we are at C&G finishes. There's the vice. Let's go in. Right there. Stop filming.